Hello everyone, I'm Dennis with MainWP, and this is an overview of the MainWP Jetpack Scan extension. The Jetpack Scan extension was built in partnership with Jetpack by Automattic and allows you to scan your sites at any time for vulnerabilities directly from your MainWP dashboard. This extension does require a Jetpack Scan subscription and a MainWP Pro license. Let's take a look at the extension. Here we are on the MainWP overview page, the first page when you log into your dashboard daily. And here you can see our new Jetpack Scan widget, which gives you a quick overview of any issues that Jetpack Scan has found in the WordPress core, plugins, or themes. Let's take a little deeper look at the Jetpack Scan extension. So we'll go down to the extensions page and then select Jetpack Scan. This brings us to the MainWP Jetpack Scan overview page, which provides a bird's eye view of all the sites this user has connected to Jetpack Scan. Going from left to right, we have the site name, the jump to WP admin, the URL, and then the threats that WP Scan has detected. These are WP core threats, plugin threats, or theme threats. Then we have the last check date, whether Jetpack Scan is active or not on a site, the credentials are correct, and then ellipses, which gives you more information. The blue Request Rescan button asks the Jetpack API to start a new scan on the user's site. We find it can take an average of 2 minutes per site to run the API. The green sync data grabs the data from the last scan, whether it was an automatic scan or a user-triggered scan. And we're just going to go ahead and wait for those to scan through and re-grab the most recent information. Okay, we've now grabbed the latest information from Jetpack Scan API for these sites. Now, if you drill down into one of these red threads, they'll bring you to specific site issues. And here you can see we have 2 plugins. And then if you drill down into the screen, you can get even more information. Like, what did Jetpack find? Learn more about this vulnerability and how can we fix it? We can either ignore the threat or go ahead and fix it. Let's go ahead and fix that threat. It's going to verify that we do want to proceed, and we're going to press yes, proceed. It's going to take a few minutes as it reaches out to the API and requests what can be done. Okay, now the fix has been requested successfully. The process relies on the Jetpack API. It can take a few minutes to complete. This one completed pretty quickly. If it's taken a while, you can leave the page and come back later, and it'll keep working in the background. The next section is the history, which shows you previous threats that have been fixed or ignored and the date and time of that. So if we click on one of these sites, we're going to get that information. So this was found and detected on this time, and it was fixed. And this time, and it was fixed. And next we have where you can add your Jetpack sync information, sync API information that you get from the Jetpack website. And finally, we have the Manage Apps page, which allows you to manage different Jetpack Scan APIs. If, for example, you require your clients to pay for Jetpack Scan, you can control each of their APIs from here. That is a brief overview of the MainWP Jetpack Scan extension. If you like information and walkthroughs like this, press like and subscribe. Once again, I am Dennis, and thank you for using MainWP.